Hello, my name's Sean, one of the sales guys here at Wrexham Volkswagen. Thanks for clicking on the video of this Sharan SEL that we've got advertised on sale at the moment. Fantastic looking car, an amazing value for money. Finished in the black pearl, so it's the 150 horsepower DSG automatic. So it's a amazing family bus, really practical, and I'll show you around it obviously in detail now. So it's a 20 plate. A lot of these cars obviously tend to be over the £40,000 threshold, which means it's a bigger tax. This is quite a rare one, being just under that, so it's £155 a year tax rather than the £490, which if you were looking at an SEL you will encounter. Obviously 99% of them will be over the 40,000. So with the SEL, you've got the parking sensors front and rear as standard. You've got the nice chrome detailing at the bottom as well. You've got the fog lights. You do have the full sunroof, which slides all the way to the back. Really nice, obviously gives a more open feel to it, and it does slide open the first panel as well. So it gives it a nice light interior. Panels look nice and clean. It's how it should be really, obviously for a 20 plate. You've got a decent sized boot, so it's in its 7-seat position at the moment, so you can fit adults in the back quite comfortably, and you've still got a bit of boot area in there as well. And then if we look inside, so with the SEL you have got the Alcantara suede and the half leather interior. Really nice quality, comfy interior as well. No marks or anything, all the bolsters look nice and clean. And the mileage on it, to be fair, is just under 4,000, so it's really nice low mileage. You have got the sat nav, that's all built in as well, as you can see. So it's all colour and high definition. You've got a speed limit recognition as well, so if you're somewhere a little bit foreign, obviously you know exactly what speed limits obviously you need to set it to. You have got heated seats, 2-zone climate control, and if you put it into reverse, you have got the parking pilot with the sensors as well. You've got the adaptive cruise control, which is all standard now, works well with the automatic gearbox because you've got the guidance sensors in front here. You have got the lane assist as well, as you can see on there. And you have got, if I put the window down, which you get on standard on most SELs, is the blind spot assist. So that's good if you're doing motorway journeys. It'll flash orange when you're about to pull out to indicate that it's not safe, etc. So it's a nice load of standard safety features that you get with it. You have got an air-conditioned glove box, and a CD player slot is on there as well. Automatic lights and wipers. And then if we shut the door, so they are sliding doors that they click into place. It gives it a fantastic large opening to get inside. You have got the mats as well. You've got plenty of storage cupboards, so you've got a little storage space in there. That's for your jack and everything as well. And then if I slide that seat forward, it's Isofix in the back 3 and then on the back 2, so you've got 5 Isofix points, which is fantastic obviously if you've got a large family. And you can fit adults quite comfortably in the back, so plenty of 2 adult size seats, and obviously that one can just click into places. So you can put these seats down, which then equates to a large boot area. In fairness, if you put all the seats down, it's like a massive van really, so it's got plenty of it is a genuine multi-purpose vehicle. This car will come with a 2-year warranty, 2-year breakdown cover as well, so you've got 2 years roadside assistance, so it's a lot of peace of mind, and it's a fantastic saving as well. So there are flexible finance options such as hire purchase or PCP. So for anything else, please give me a call. My name's Sean, and I'm happy to discuss things further with you on this car. Thank you.